gentlemen, our designers have something special, something that cannot be copied, and that is our story, our heritage, our culture, and our imagination. These are the elements that give eMaSwati its distinct character and competitive advantage. Today's event is evidence that the ministry is intentional about creating the platforms, systems, and support needed to transform that identity into commercially viable brands. Your Excellency, please allow me to commend the team led by Dr. Zulu for coming up with such a compelling theme, Experience Eswatini. This theme captures something very powerful about our kingdom, which is Eswatini is not just a destination, but an experience to be felt and remembered. Our culture, our fashion, our food, our art, our music, our craftsmanship, and our creativity are all part of that experience. The opportunity before us is to ensure that these experiences are protected and developed into sustainable economic value for our people.